Hey guys, welcome back. I thought I'd do this lecture to show you how to get rid of these unwanted decimal places because it is very annoying. They use up a lot of space and there's nothing weirder to see than when you print a table and everything looks nice and neat like this and then you have a column with a lot of decimal places. So I'm going to show you guys how to fix that. What you want to do is you want to go home and we're going to be working in this section over here. Number, okay? And the symbols we're going to be using are these two. All right. Now what these two do, not sure what I'm trying to say. They either increase the number of decimal places or they reduce the number of decimal places. And it does it one at a time. So let's do the first one. Okay. Let's click on this. Then let's zoom in. Oh, can't zoom in any further. All right. 41.666 onwards and 7. You want to highlight that cell. Now the left one I think is increased decimal. Alright, so that makes it longer and longer and longer. Alright, so if we press this left one here, it makes it longer. And if we press the right one, it makes it shorter. Alright, now we want it to be really short. We want it to be 2 decimal places. Now you don't have to do this one by one. You can select the entire thing and do it together. So go back up here and click decrease decimal place. You can make it longer and shorter, longer and okay, I won't waste any more time. And that's how you clean up decimal places. Now it looks all nice and pretty, just like me. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed. See you guys soon.